Hi everyone, Walter Bound here, gardening series, talking about planting pollinators, right? We need bees. You might hate bees while you're picnicking, but these are the type of bees, we absolutely need for the survival of, I hate to say it, but the planet and our species. No bees, no food, right? So here's my garden. I have lots of pollinators. I have, of course, Ganesha, and you see this frequently, um, and also called purple cone flowers. And it grows in all different types of colors. Purple is probably the most famous. Another local in New Jersey is Anise, and the bees just love this stuff. It grows very weed-like, and it just grows everywhere. You can easily pull it out if you don't want it where you want it. But the bees and the pollinators just absolutely eat this up. So my garden has been so productive over the years with the raspberries and the tomatoes and the peppers, just because there's so many bees and there's so many pollinators all around. You can see the bees here just loving climbing all over this. And I stake this up, even though it may not need to be staked, but I like to stake it, give it a little bit more the appearance so it's not drooping over, especially in the rain. Here we have Bebop, also called wild bergamot. It comes in a variety of colors. I just have like purple here. And when it was first coming up, I was like, is this a weed? Or sometimes you just don't know, right? I think I got this at a Rutgers ag field day, and little did I know how much this would spread all over the place. This is like a third of the size it could have been. But of course, look at the bees. I mean, it's like bee crack. Right? They just love rolling around in this stuff. Makes me want to roll around in pollen. Well, not pollen, but roll around in stuff I like to roll around in. Okay, I'm not sure what that would be. Maybe literature. I don't know. We'll see. But it's just great stuff, right? And this stuff's easy to grow, and you want to plant things that are going to attract, especially native species that are going to attract bees that live here. This is a Japanese snowball, which probably with the name Japanese, not native to New Jersey. But again, the pollinators just eat this up. I love it. It's fragrant. It grows. It's sort of like a broadleaf hydrangea. And this was a discount plant from Home Depot that I got for like $5, and now it's like such a great plant. So hopefully I've encouraged you to plant some pollinators, get those bees going, plant some veggies, and eat healthy. Take care of the planet. Bye-bye.